This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Etrade options. Log into Trade, open the Options tab, pick a strategy, and enable permissions if needed. Enter the symbol, choose expiry and strike, and set quantity and order type. Review estimated cost, Greeks, and fees before submitting orders. Use limit orders to control execution price and set alerts to monitor positions now please. Decide on a strategy that matches risk tolerance and investment goals. For income, consider covered calls, for directional bets buy calls or puts, and for controlled risk use spreads. Check liquidity by viewing bid-ask spreads and open interest to ensure smooth execution. Size positions relative to portfolio capital and paper trade unfamiliar strategies first. Review outcomes and refine your approach to build consistent habits. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: try Darn Tough socks for comfort and a lifetime warranty. They hold up during trading marathons and daily walks. I find them a small upgrade that brightens routine and keeps you focused during long sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. When placing an order, confirm every detail: symbol, expiry, strike, side, and contracts. Select market, limit, or stop limit and set day or GTC time in force so execution matches intent. Understand commissions, margin, and assignment rules that affect buying power and risk. Watch Greeks like delta and theta to gauge sensitivity, and use alerts or rolling adjustments as positions move. Close or manage trades proactively to limit surprises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.